Anyone did not get how to create tables? Yesterday we discussed. Okay, so what we'll do, no, like today we'll have the session, and then Monday morning we'll have the session, and then Tuesday evening we'll keep the doubt clearance sessions. Okay, so that like anyone will be struggling with the topics, no, what we'll cover today and Monday morning, so that we can discuss on that. Like many people will be, like they'll be doing first time, so for them it will be so easy. So just go through this one and then I'll explain you the drop command.
Sorry to interrupt. So tomorrow we don't have class?
Tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow is festival.
Yeah.
Let's make it on Monday morning only.
Okay.
So many people, they'll be busy in that. Maybe today also little less people have joined.
Hmm.
I think it's better to have off. Maybe today also less people have joined. Is there any festival today, guys?
Yeah, today also Sankranti. Today, tomorrow.
Bogi, sir, today. Today is Bogi. Bogi.
That's why people
Yeah.
have joined less.
Yeah.
3 days festival, na? So that's why. Bogi, Sankranti, and Kanuma.
Yes. I should give today and tomorrow off. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll cover only detailed topic, okay, and then we'll stop it. So the like other
Better
people
to
will not.
Jagdish.
Guys, go on mute. Okay, so what we are going to learn now, how to drop tables. Okay, how to drop tables, how to delete tables. So yesterday we saw how to create tables, correct? So you can try practice more by listening those. And today we are going to see how to drop tables, how to drop the created table. Means what? Once you have created a table, in then how you are going to delete the data, delete the table permanently. How can you delete the table permanently? Okay, so we have a database. Consider that this table is there in our database. This table is there in our database. So if you use drop command, you will be able to drop the table. You will be able to delete this table permanently from the database. Once you will use this drop command, you will not able to retrieve data back. You will not able to find your table back. So what is this written? Drop is used to delete both the structure and a record stored in a table. Drop is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the table. Okay. So when you use drop command, so you'll be able to drop both structure and the data from the table. Like what is the structure? So this employee ID, employee name, all these things are a structure, correct? And what is the data? So these are all data in a table. So you'll be able to drop both structure as well as the table permanently. Okay, permanently you'll be deleting it. So a drop a statement in SQL removes a component from a relational database management system permanently, RDBMS permanently. Okay, drop a statement in SQL removes a component from RDBMS permanently. Okay, roll back is not possible. If you want to retrieve it back, if you want to get it back, it's not possible. The moment you run drop command, you will be not able to take it back. You will be not able to retrieve it back. So what is the syntax of drop command? Drop table, table name, drop table, table name, drop table, customers, drop table, customers. Okay. So this is the example. Consider that customer is a table. Consider customer is a table and you want to you want to delete it. So drop table, table name you have to write. So consider that we have created some table. So what are the tables we have? Here we have so many tables are there. So in this, yesterday, what are the tables we have created, guys? X and Y, something like that. Select star from person, I guess, created. Person. So this is the structure of the table is there. So DESC, like this also you can find structure of the table. Like this also you can find a structure of the table. So these are the 5 columns are added in this table. When you want to drop the table, no? When you want to delete this table permanently, what you have to write, guys? Can you help me? Everyone?
Drop table person.
Drop table.
Person.
Okay. So if you write like this, your table will be deleted. Your table will be deleted and you will not able to find these are the details. Now you are able to see this, no? And this structure also. Remember, okay, the moment I'll run, you'll not able to. So table person dropped. Now you run this one, you will not get anything. Table or view does not exist. Object person does not exist. Okay, so the moment you run that, you're not able to retrieve it back. So this is the one thing. Let me show you a table with the data. In previous class, I have created some of the tables. Select star from table X. Let's take X. Let me see, do we have data in this or not? Yeah, we have a data. So this is the data and this is the structure you have. A is the column, 111, you have the data. So if I want to delete the table permanently, what we have to do, guys?
Drop table X.
Drop table X. Everyone, okay? So drop table X, if you write it, the table will be deleted. The table will be deleted and you will not able to see this data. This data you will be not able to see it. Now see, table or view does not exist. Okay. So this is your drop command. Any doubt in this, guys? Any doubt?
सर जो डिलीट हो रहा है वो वापस नहीं आएगा
Actually,
फिर
नहीं वापस नहीं आएगा वो.
actually, X is a table, right?
X is a table, yes.
Okay.
See, X was the table here. You see?
Oh, sorry, yeah.
It won't come back again. If we want, hello?
Yeah, tell me.
If it will be deleted, the table, if
Hmm.
again we want, it won't come
No,
back.
no, you can't take it. DDL command, no, none of the things you will be able to retrieve it. DDL command, whatever the commands are there. Now see, what are the commands are there in DDL? You can't able to make it.
So if you want to delete the single
Oh.
column or single row,
Single column and single row will learn in alter command.
okay.
Okay, so they are also there. Drop column from a table and delete a single row if you want to delete. Then we'll use delete command. That will come. We'll learn on Monday, I guess.
Okay, okay.
In real time, where we have to use this delete command. It means if we want the data, it important data will be. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. In real time environment, ETL tester don't use this one.
Okay.
We as a ETL tester will not have access
Oh,
to run any of the DDL and DML command. DDL
oh,
command is
okay.
having create, alter, drop, truncate. DML will have insert, update, delete. Okay. So all this two command, okay, DDL and DML command, you will not have access in a real-time scenario for the any of the project you go. Developers they will have in dev environment architecture of the project, they will have the access. Okay. And if you need to drop any table or anything, no, you have to request to developer. You have to request to developer. You have to formally, you have to write a mail that please drop this table, please update this table, all these things. So you will have only select a statement access, only select a statement. In this only, you have to write all the query using select a statement only. That's why ETL tester jobs are easy. ETL tester jobs are easy. If you'll sit for 2 hours, 3 hours every day, na, your work will be done in 2, 3 hours only. Full ETL testing job. And
To understand, so basically we don't, means ETL tester don't use the drop table, right?
no, we don't use DADL and DML, but interview perspective, it is very important.
Okay.
Interview, to crack the interview, we should know this. They will ask you what is alter command, what is drop command, what is create command, what is truncate. These are the questions they will ask you. So that's why
And
we are keeping it.
basically, okay,
Hmm.
and basically like most used here is select, right? Which we used in functions.
Yes, we are going to use mostly select a statement with functions, joins, all these things.
Okay.
And this the DDL and DML command will be used mostly by the developers and architecture. So they will only use it for, but for interview perspective, these are very important. They will ask you directly. That's why we are discussing a lot here. Okay, any doubt in drop command, guys? Anyone? Anyone did not understand? Raise your hand. Anyone did not understand? Raise your hand.
Sorry, I have one question. Like, so we run a query, right? After I need to fetch all the details, like how it before what we need to do
No, sorry, I did not get.
in DB. So we select a query and it fetch the results of the query, right? Then I need to go back to the go back to the DB, like all the details. So how can I go back?
See, once the moment you will drop this, you run this query,
Ah,
not able to take it back. You will not able to run this table.
that is fine. I'm asking about the select star from employees. Sorry, select star from where employees you are selecting particular column. Okay, then it will fetch the details, right?
Yes.
After that, I need to go back to the all the employees details. Again, I need to run the query. Means how can I go back?
See, you write like this, select a star from employees, where employee ID is
Hmm.
equals to 100, correct?
Yes.
Now you run this one.
Hmm.
So you run this, you got this output. Okay.
Yes.
So this output you got it. So you can save it another query also. and this is not going to save it. So whatever
Okay.
the select statement you are writing, no, it's a temporary.
Okay.
Now we run this one. Okay, this when you run another select query, okay, this output will go off.
Okay.
Just give me 1 minute. Hmm. 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 हम बात करते हैं, रुको अभी क्लास ले रहे हैं. Okay, guys. So the moment you will run this one, no, this is like, a table is already available in the database. The table is already available in database. You are just fetching the record from that table. You are just collecting the record from that table. You are not saving anything in the table.
Okay.
If you run the main table, no, what are the data we have? These are the data are stored in this table. Okay. I was thinking yesterday, no one asked me this question. So I supposed to like explain it, but no one asked. Then I thought like everyone know this thing. So if you'll see here, this is the table. This is the inbuilt table in a database. Okay. This is the inbuilt table in a database. If you'll see here, no, this is the inbuilt table in a database. So this is only employees table. And the moment you run select a statement, it will fetch data from this your database, from this schema. It will fetch all the data. This is stored, already stored data. This is already stored data. All data are stored. Any of the select statement you write, no, it is not going to update anything in this table. Already there in this table. It's
Just we are
already
saying
there
the
in this table. Yes. When you will fire this query, this type of query, using where condition, it will just go in this table and it will give you details of that. It is not going to update anything. It is not going to delete anything. It is like this. Select a statement is like temporary result it will give you. For this query only, it will give you the result. Now see, we have 100 employee ID 100, correct? Stephen King is there. Now you can, if you run it, you will get the same details from where it is collected, from this query they have collected. From this query they have collected. See,
Yes.
the moment I run this, both the query, this query output gone, and it's showing this
It
one.
is.
Now
Yes.
another part is that you ask that how to save it, like output screen if you want to save it. Okay, correct.
Yes.
So see here, this red color button is there, pin.
Ah.
Okay, so if you'll click on this, your output screen will be saved.
It is saved where?
Yeah, it will be saved. It will be saved means for this output screen, it will be saved for this time only. The moment you will close the this one, no, it will go off. Again, you have to run. Again, you have to execute everything. Or if you open another sheet, no, worksheet, there you will not able to find that one.
Some noise is coming, guys.
Now,
Now also, sorry. I'm hearing the noise, guys.
who is there?
Yeah, exactly.
Meena, so much of noise are coming from your end, Meena. I muted you. No worries. Okay. So, Meena, can you hear me?
Yeah, but no noise from my
Like
side.
your fan and all will be running, so that
Yeah,
noise is
could you
coming.
please
Yesterday
mute?
also it was coming.
What noise you're hearing? Sorry.
Like when you are unmuting yourself, no, that time so much of new noise are coming from your end.
Oh, it's morning 5 o'clock here, but no noise from my side. Okay, anyway, I'll
Unmute it and then like mute yourself.
yeah, okay.
When you'll ask a question, you unmute yourself. Okay.
And sorry, Jay. And we have this left side. We have this table, right? how it is, how we call, like, this is a table. When we expand it, you put it a schema, right?
This is your schema, admin schema, HR schema, core schema. This is a schema. So we are here, if you'll see here, no, this is the HR schema, correct?
Okay.
Yesterday also we were using HR schema and we were creating a table there. You remember?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay. So this is the HR schema. Now also in HR schema, we have inbuilt table, employees table. We have department tables are inbuilt, means it is provided by the Oracle database automatically.
Okay.
Now custom countries also by the what is that, Oracle database, Oracle company, they have provided inbuilt database in HR schema. That's why I help you to install this one. It will be very helpful if you'll have inbuilt table, big table. Like if you want to insert 100 record, no, it will be so much hectic for you. But here we have in this table 107 record.
Sir, I have one questions. Like when we write select select star from employees and all, so it will fetch data from any of these tables, or like do we need to select those tables? Means if we run the query, so automatically it will fetch data from all of those tables, or like we need to select those tables first and then we need to write those select star from it.
When you are writing select a star from, okay, so this will give you all the rows, all the record.
Okay.
When you are writing this is a table name.
Okay. Okay.
This is the table name already created by the oracles, and they have saved it automatically. You will not able to delete also this table.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So it will not take the duplicate names, right? Like employee one, again we can't create the employee one again, right? It will not.
Employees one you can create it, but employees table you cannot create it. The same name table you cannot create it if you have in the same schema, if you have table name already. Like country is there. If I want to create the countries table by the name of countries table, we cannot create it. Like we have employee, this employee is there. So I cannot create it, this employee table. Because already table is there in this schema. If any of the table if will not there, you can create it. Like employee one also there, employee two, employee three, employees are also there. So employee three is there, employee four I can create it.
Yes. So duplicate names we can't create a data.
No, we cannot make it.
And with the same name, we can create in the another schema. Is that fine?
With the same name, we can create another schema if that schema does not have that table.
Okay. So in the schema to schema, we can't relate.
You mean schema to schema means core is a one schema, HR is another schema, right?
Admin in another schema. Now if you'll see here, this is the another schema. Now admin, I'm connecting to admin schema. See, what are the tables in admin schema? What are the tables I have created? These are the tables are there. I don't know what is the use of that. I have not used till now. Okay, and I
So
have
every schema we have a table. So in that
yes.
table only we are going to work.
Yes. Now
We
if
can
you see
create
here,
our own schema.
own schema we are not going to create because that much of label we are not going to develop it. We don't have to go to the admin level, database admin level of work. We are going to work on the select statement mainly, and that is only important for us. Whatever the question they will ask, I'll be covering it to crack your interview, to work in a project very nicely. You will be able to know all these things. Only thing is that your effort I want 100%. Every class, after every class, you learn it properly. Previously, I used to take 1.5 hour of 1.5 month of classes. So, but like I was taking 1.5 hour of session Saturday, Sunday, and Friday. But now I thought like in 1 month only people will be lazy. So I thought like let's finish all the syllabus in 1 month and all. by increasing half an hour on the weekend.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
sir,
Yeah,
it means already table already existed tables, na?
yes.
In admin, HR schema, all and all. We no need to create a table, right, sir?
If you want to create a table, you can create it.
Okay.
So these are the tables I have created already. Now see, this B and all
So
are
in
you are
real
seeing.
time scenario, how it will be like
Sorry.
in real time scenario, how it will be create in the sense.
How many like in real time scenario, you are not going to create any table in database.
Okay.
Everything will be ready for you. Data will be
Hmm.
loaded to the source table and everything will be ready for you. You don't have to do much thing in that. Only you have to write the test case. You have to write the
Okay.
select a statement query. That's all.
Okay.
Select
Okay, sir.
statement queries you have to write to validate data from one layer to another layer. We are going to learn in that Informatica tool. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
In practice only, if we want to, we will create. We will create, na?
Yeah,
In
because in
practice.
interview they will ask you questions.
Okay.
Three things are there here. Learn it properly. Future it will be very useful. Correct. Another thing is that learn it so that you will be able to crack the interview. We are not going to work on the anything like proxy or backdoor and all. If you'll go with the proxy and backdoor, within one month, 2 months, they will throw you out because people take money for their benefit and internally only you will not able to survive. You're not able to learn the things. Okay, do the things, they will throw you out. And many cheatings are also happening on those cases. So I not supporting in the proxy and backdoor. Learn it, whatever the help you need, how much time you need from my side, you let me know. Learn it properly, crack your interview by yourself and survive in an industry for 5 years, 10 years. Okay, so this is the things. So whatever the things I have prepared, everything is important interview perspective. In interview perspective, your project delivery perspective, it is all these things are important. I'll try to bring one person by next Saturday. So who is working from past 6 months in a company, and he is telling that whatever you have taught, no sir, like it is more than sufficient, and I'm teaching other people who are working there. No, like this, no, like this scenario we have to do. So your notes are more than sufficient. So for that also it will give you motivation. So I'll try to catch him by Friday or Saturday. Saturday will tell him to join here. Okay. So as of now, let's move to the syllabus part. Otherwise, our syllabus will go long. Clear, guys? Clear?
Yes,
Drop
sir.
command is clear. Anyone
Yes,
did
sir.
not understand? Raise your hand. Last time I'm asking. Next one is alter command. Next one is alter command. So read it. I'll explain it again. This is very important interview perspective. Many questions they will ask you from this. Just read it first. So these are the questions what you have asked for the select and all. I was expecting these questions yesterday.
So here, what is DDL? DDL means what?
Yesterday class you have missed.
Data definition language, right, Jay?
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
Yesterday class just before joining, like listen once class recording also. Your hard work is very important for us.
Jay, this 1 month is enough to settle in the job. In real time.
1 month we are doing here course completion. We are doing in a 1 month to 35 days. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
People are getting job in 20 to 22 days. Believe
After
me. The person Joshi, no? He got job in 1 month, 10 days only. That also he was busy in Christmas and New Year. So 10 days he did not study. He may get it in a 1 month only. Like before, if it's a year end and all will would be not there, no? He could get it in 25 to 26 days only. He taken fast track course, and then he was preparing fast, and every weekend I told him that Saturday, Sunday, you have to update me how much you have completed, and every Saturday you have to give me mock on that. So he prepared that, and he was giving mock every day. Very, very means what you can say that I want a student like him and Sindhuja. One lady came in the demo, no. So like,
Yeah,
if people will, if I'll get a student like this, no, you will have job in a 1 month only. If you'll give dedication that much, 6-7 hours without using anything, practice more than sufficient. Take
Hi,
it.
Jane.
If you want to subscribe my previous class recording, subscribe it. It's a class recording with the zero editing. Same how I'm taking class here. Same class is there. Take it, prepare it fast. Okay. Give me a mock in 1 week how much you have completed each and every Saturday, and complete in 16 to 17 days, and go for the job. Search. We have all setups are done. If you'll see our things, we have full setup is there. You don't have to depend on anything for the anything. Like you don't have to ping me each time. If you any batch, you take it. See now, once you complete full things, you will have this also access, sample resume and all, project explanations, Oracle SQL, manual testing, Informatica, everything is there in that one.
Can you please share this thing so we can utilize
Meena,
Jane? Yeah.
yeah, Meena, like for that you have ping me.
Sir, the PPT.
PPT
Question you
you want or
take
full? Message me, WhatsApp me or Vishal, and inform him and explain what you want to Vishal and me. Okay. So
Okay,
we
okay,
will help you. If you want to prepare fast, we'll help you to prepare fast.
okay, okay.
Within a month, you can get job. There is no problem. And Feb month, there are lots of opening will be there, guys. Give your 15 days, 16 days. If you want to prepare fast, prepare fast. From January, Feb first week, you be ready for the attending the interview. You will get job in Feb month only. Okay, guys. So, what we are going to discuss, alter command. Okay, this is a part of DDL command. DDL stands for data definition language. DDL stands for data definition language. This one, DDL stands for data definition language. Okay, so yesterday we have seen this one. So today we are going to see alter command. In DDL command, what are the commands are coming? Create command, alter command, drop command, truncate command. So we saw how to create table, we saw how to drop table, we saw alter command, we saw truncate command. So in alter command, what we are going to see, what are the things we are going to see? The alter command is a DDL command. The alter command is a DDL command. DDL stands for data definition language. The alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of existing table in database. Sorry, guys. So the alter command is a DDL command. Okay, alter command is a DDL command to modify. This is very important. This up to here. Okay, up to here is very important. The alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of existing table. The structure of existing table in the database by adding, modifying, renaming, or dropping columns and constant. By dropping by adding, modifying, renaming, or dropping columns and constraint. So means what? Using alter command, no, you can add columns in an existing table. You have existing table, you have created a table. Okay. Now, now you have a requirement that you want to add new columns. So how will you add it? You can use alter command to add the new columns. Okay. You can add n number of columns. You can rename columns and tables. You can rename columns and tables. You can rename columns and tables. You can use delete command to delete the columns. You can if you want to drop the any of that column, you will be able to use delete command. Now rename columns and tables. If you are not satisfied with the any columns in a table, you can rename the columns and tables. You can change the data type. You can change the data type. While creating a table, we are giving data types, correct? We are giving data types and length. So we can change the data types and length of the columns. So we'll see one by one how it will be useful. So if you want to change the structure of existing table by adding a new column, by renaming a column and tables, by deleting a column, so dropping a column, these are the things. By changing the data types, you can change the structure of the existing table in the database. So these are the things. It will take more time, but we'll explain you full things today only, and we'll see it practically. Okay, we'll see it practically. Now, coming back to the query part, these are the query we have for the like create table queries are there, your drop table queries are there. Okay. Alter command queries are there. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a table first. We are going to create table first. Okay, so what table we are going to create table? So this is the table we are going to create it first. Okay, in database. So where we'll create? In HR schema we'll create. Let's copy the queries and then we'll do all these things. Adding a column in a table, renaming a column, renaming a table in a database. Okay. Then modifying data types and size of a column in a table. Okay. Dropping a column from a table. So these are the activity we can do it using alter command. So what we'll do, we'll copy all these queries and then one by one we'll learn it. One by one we'll learn it. This I know like it will be so difficult. And first time if you will be seeing, it will be so difficult. But believe me guys, when you write anything, when you read anything first time, whatever the first time you are doing it, it will be difficult only. Whether you learn any engineering subject or any other your honor subject and all, so it will be difficult to first time to understand everything. When you'll go through, when you'll do practice again and again, it will be so easy. It will be so easy. This is also very easy. This is also very easy. One line only your command will be over. One line only your things will be over. First time you have learned ABCD also, that also was difficult only. Okay. So that time. So this is the learning time, starting time. So it will be so difficult to understand all these things in once only. But focus here. I need your focus here, and you will be able to get the job within a month. Okay. Just do practice, daily practice you do 2-3 hours. If you have festival and all, it's okay. Like you can utilize 1 or 2 days. But when you will come back, you give whatever the like 5 hours, 6 hours, how much time you will give able to get it, give that much time. Don't do any extra activity in this 1 month time. If you want job for 80,000, 90,000, 1 lakh rupees, don't do any extra activity. Do whatever I'm saying it, practice it, you will get it. You will get it, you will get the job. Okay, no, next one will be your alter command. So in alter command, first thing we are going to see how to add column. How to add column. Using alter command, we are going to see how to add column. How to add new columns in an existing table. How to add new column in existing table. Using alter command, we can add n number of columns to a table. We can use using alter command. Using alter command, we can add an n number of columns, into a existing table, So if we want to add one column, what is the data? What is the syntax of that? When if you want to add one column, this is the syntax: alter table name, table name, add column name. Which column you want to add here? Which column you want to add? That column name. Then you have to give the data type for this column and then size. Alter table name. This is common for all the alter command. We have 4 or 5 types of alter command. No? It will be common for all. This is a common for all. Up to here, same thing. Alter table name. Add. We are adding a new column. Add single column. If you want to add single column, add single column name, data type, and then size. Okay. If you want to add multiple columns, then this is the syntax. If you want to add multiple columns, then this is the syntax. How will you do that?
But here we are not using selector.
We are not using select. We are using alter. Where you are able to see select statement. We are not using select statement.
Okay.
Select is to get data from the table. That's all.
Mhm.
It will fetch the data from the table. It will retrieve the data from the table. That's all. But alter command, we are going to add into the existing table, new column and all. I'll show you that. You'll learn it. No worries. Okay. Now alter table name, add. If you want to add n number of columns, alter table name, add, open the bracket, column name 1, column 2, and then column n number of columns you can add through add command. Okay. So whatever the data types will be there for the column wise, you can give here only, and you can close the bracket, terminate the query. Okay. Alter table name, add column 1, column 2, column n number of columns you can add it here. Clear, guys? This structure. We'll see practically how it will be. Okay. Now what we'll do? No? Now we'll create a table. By name employee. So in this employee table, how many columns are already there, guys? While creating, how many columns are there? If we'll create a table employee, how many tables will be there? Employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, salary. Yesterday we discussed how to create table. Same way we are going to create the table. Create table name. What is the syntax for creating a table? This is the syntax for creating a new table. So the create table command is used to create a new table in a database. If you want to create a new table in the database, your own table, you can create it, create table name, column 1, data type size, column 2, data type size. Same way, we are creating here also a new table to implement alter command, to implement all the changes using alter command. Okay, create table name, employee ID. Okay, we have mentioned as an integer. Okay, first name, last name, email, phone number, salary. These are the columns. How many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 6 are there. It will be added to this table. Okay, when you
Say one doubt here. So we are using for a first name, you using varchar 20, right? So we can only enter 20 characters, not more than that.
No, not more than that. 20 characters only you'll be able to enter.
Okay. If we modify it to 25, you can enter 25 characters.
25, yes. Up to 4,000 bytes you can enter.
Okay.
And here employee ID is data type is integer. Usually use number as a data type. So what's the difference between integer and the data type, the number?
Integer also same data type only. You can add floating types also. But when you will use integer also, no, it will take by default numbers only. By default, it will take numbers only. I'll show you that when we run that, it will take numbers only. Here, varchar, it will take by default varchar 2 only. Oracle, they have made it compulsory like that only. So that's what I wanted to show you so that you will be familiar with this also.
For integer, we won't restrict the size here.
Sorry?
For integer, we won't restrict the size like 20 or 25.
Up to 38, by default, it will take up to 38 digit.
Okay.
Okay.
For
More than
integer
38,
alone, we have this condition.
yeah, more than 38, you will not able to enter in number or as well as integer, both. 38 means what? It will be something like 1, 2, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like how much it will be 38? It will be too big number, correct?
Yes.
You cannot imagine only.
Yeah.
We don't know like how much we have wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will take so much time to count 38. Okay, it will be so big. So that's why they have given 38 maximum limit for the this thing. If you want, you can assign it. So this table is already there. This table is already there in our database. So name is already used by the existing object. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to drop the table. How will we drop the table? This table to create new table.
Delete.
Drop
the table name.
Drop table employee. Just now we saw. How can we forget so fast? Okay, so drop table name, we are writing it. Then we'll drop it and we'll create it again. For our requirement, no, we'll create it again. Okay, now we'll create this one. Now we'll create this table. Fresh table will create. So this table will create for our requirement alter command to see that. Okay, now what we'll do? We'll see the table structure. What is the table structure? How to find table structure, guys?
Select.
TESC.
Oh, structure, sorry.
Employee.
DSC employee. Okay. So you will be able to see that these are the employee ID. Employee ID. Can you see number 38? Automatically by default it is taking 38. So varchar it is taking varchar 2. Okay. So these are the 6 columns we supposed to add. We have added 6 column here. Okay. So now what we'll do? Our requirement is that what? To add columns. Correct. To add columns. Please don't do drawing, Samuel. Okay, so we are going to add the column, single column as well as multiple columns. They will ask you in interview how to add columns, new columns in a table. So in that case, you have to tell that using alter command, we can add one single column if you want to add. Then using alter command, we can use it. But if you want to add multiple columns, then we inside the bracket, we have to take the column names, alter table name, add, and then open the bracket, multiple columns name you can give with including data type and size, close the bracket, terminate the query. Okay. So these are the things they will ask you in interview. So what we are going to do? First, we are going to add single column where in your table. In your table. Existing table is what? Employee is existing table. We saw, no, like we have created just now. Now we are going to add single column. Using alter command, we are going to add single column. So what will happen, guys, if I'll run this query?
The address column will add to the employee table.
Address column will add to the employees table. This now we have 6 columns. If I'll run this query, one more column will be added to this employees table with varchar to 100. Okay, we'll see that when you will run this query, address column will be added. Now see, table employee altered. Table employee altered. So what is the structure of the table? DSC employee, correct. Now you see, previously we were having 6 columns. Now see, one column got added. Address varchar to 100. Address varchar to 100. It's got added. This column got added to your how many columns now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns now. Now this is the single column if you want to add. If I want to add multiple columns, then what we have to do? We have to open the bracket, alter table name, add, okay? Then open the bracket, address home, city, pin code. Three columns. Three columns. Three columns we are going to add to this table. Three columns we are going to add to this table, employee table now. What are the tables? What are the columns, guys?
Where city, address, and
Address
pin
home.
PIN code.
Address, home, city, and pin code.
Address home, city, and pin code. These three columns will be added to this new. Now we have 7 columns. When we'll add these 3 columns, how many columns will be there in a table?
And
In
7.
10 columns.
Okay.
Total, we have now 7 columns, correct?
Yes, yes.
So if you'll add 3,
Yes.
it will be 7 plus 3, 10 columns will be there. Let's run it and then see it. So table employee altered. And if you'll run this one, so now see, now observe.
But then you didn't select the query, right? You without selecting you are running, but it will run the particular.
Like this, you mean to say that I did not select like this?
Yes.
So see what happened when you have terminating this. This is the termination, correct? The semicolon is used to terminate this query.
Okay.
Okay, so when you anywhere you take your cursor and then run it, what it will do? No, it will find out what is the last query termination type, and what is this query termination. Okay, so it will run this much only. Here only. It's thinking, it's considering that your query is getting over here only. There are two things. Let me explain you again. Now, see, I'm taking example of this table. Okay, this table. If you are running this, what it means? See, employees table only details it is showing. Why? Because we are terminating this query and this much only it is running. Like this also you can execute or take your cursor anywhere. Like this also you can execute. But if you not but if you'll not give a semicolon, what will happen now? See, red color is coming. So if you run it, see, it is giving error. So what it is thinking that our query is getting over here. Our query is getting terminated here. So I have to execute, the Oracle database is thinking, I have to execute both the queries. Okay, but if you want to run only this much query, you have to terminate the query all the time. Either you can run like this or take a cursor in this query and then click it. It will automatically, it will select this only because your query is terminated with the semicolon. Got it?
Yes.
Now coming back to your structure. So we have added 3 columns here, correct? We have added 3 columns here. Now if you see the structure, earlier 7 columns were there. Now 3 columns are added. Now total how many columns, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 columns. Correct. 10 columns now. So what are the new columns we have added here? Address, home, city, pin code. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, raise your hand. Anyone did not get it, raise your hand. I'll explain 2 times also, no worries. Anyway, today people are in festival mode, so we'll go slowly only. Anyone did not get it, raise your hand.
Sir, Veka 200 100 why also taken that number? That one.
This one, no? Where can 100?
Yes, sir.
See, when we creating a table, we are taking the varchar 20 and all, correct?
Yes, sir.
While creating a table, we are adding the column names. and we are giving the data types and size. When we are giving varchar data types means what? It will take the string and numeric values. When employee ID we are making integer means it will take numbers only, correct?
Yes, sir.
So same way, when we are adding a new columns, so we are giving data types. What type of data you want to insert in future? I want to insert string and character data. I want to insert string data in this. That's why we have given varchar2. And
Okay, sir.
100 means what? This is the up to this size we can insert the data in this one. One record. Now if you'll see here, if you'll see this one, first name is how many character here? 6 character.
Yes, sir.
This is 5 character. This is
Yes, sir.
3
This
character.
one three characters.
Yeah. So if you'll see the structure of this table, DSC employees. It will come, I know, like in starting, people will struggle, but 2-3 times do practice. It will be over. Now if you'll see employees table, no? First name, what they have mentioned, varchar2 20. So means what? Up to 20 characters you can insert the value here. Steven and all others. But 6 characters only we have inserted. Up to 20 character, you can write your name.
Okay, sir.
Maximum 20 character. That's why we have given there. Up to 100 characters, you can explain your address here in a string format. Clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anyone did not get, raise your hand. So what we have done, using alter command, we have added single column, and using alter command, we have added 3 columns as well. Okay. Next one we'll see how to drop columns, from a table, from the existing table. We have existing table, and now my requirement came to, I want to drop a column. How we are going to drop a column? Using alter command, we can delete columns from a table. Using alter command, we can delete columns from a table. Using alter command, again alter command only. So what are the things we are going to learn in alter command? How to add columns in an existing table, how to rename columns and tables in existing table, how to drop columns in using alter command in a table. Okay. How to change data type and size, that also we'll see that in using alter command. This all will come under alter command only. So first thing we have finished, how to add column. Second thing we are going to learn how to draw columns from a table. Okay, how can we do that? Using alter command again. If we have a requirement, we have created a table, we have employee as a table. Now my requirement came that I don't want this table, I don't want address. We have already address column is there. I don't want this address home. So I want to drop this column. My requirement is I want to delete this address from column from the table. So how can we do that? Using alter command, we can drop a column. If you want to drop a single column, then what you will do? Alter table name, drop column. You have to mention column keyword, and which column you want to drop it. Address home, I want to drop it. So you have to write address home. Alter table name, drop column name. Okay. Single column we are dropping in this first syntax. Single column we are dropping in a first syntax. If you want to drop multiple columns, then what we'll do, guys? This much. Alter table name, drop column name 1, column name 2. Alter table name, drop column 1, column 2.
In the second statement, column keyword is not required.
In this one, column keyword is not required. Or add column. Here we need, when you are dropping single column, no, that time only we need a column keyword, this column keyword. When you are dropping multiple columns, you don't need column keyword. In a single bracket, you can mention all these things.
Okay.
Okay, let's see practically how it is going to work. Drop column from table. Okay, so what you will do here now, which column we are dropping? Address form, correct. What is the list we have? What table we have created? Employee table we have created recently. How many column we got added to the employee table? 10 columns, correct. Which column you want to delete, guys?
Address call.
Address column, sir.
Address home. Okay. So let's make it address home only. So this column I want to drop it. So what we are writing? Alter table, table name, drop, column is the keyword. You have to mention when you are dropping single column, and then which column you want to drop it. Which column you want to drop it. Alter table, table name. This is common in all the alter command. Okay. Alter table, table name, drop, column keyword, and which column you want to drop it, which column you want to delete it, that one. If you learn it, this table will be dropped from your list. Now see, we have had address from here. Okay, if you learn it, table employee altered, and if you see the structure of the table again, can you find address form, guys? Are you
No.
able to see? It's gone. It's gone. Okay. Now I want to drop multiple columns, guys. I want to drop multiple columns. Which columns you want to drop?
Address, city, pin code.
Address, city, pin code. All
Yes.
three. Anything
Yes.
else? Let's make it address, city, and pin code. Three columns we are writing here, guys. When you'll run this, Samuel, what you are doing? Okay, so three columns we want to delete it. Three columns we want to delete it. Okay, so what we have mentioned, address, these three columns. Anything else you want to delete, guys? Phone number?
No,
Sorry?
sir.
No, sir.
So when you run it, these three columns will be deleted. Alter table, table name, drop, open the bracket, and mention the column details. Mention the column details. See, table employee altered. Now see the structure of the table. Gone, guys? It's gone? All
Yes.
three are gone?
Yes, sir.
Previously,
Yes,
we were
sir.
having this one. Now, recent one, it's gone. All three columns are gone.
Okay, so here no need to write the data type and the size.
No, we don't need to, we don't need to write, we do not need to write data type and size. Only we have to mention the column name. But when we are adding new columns, that time you have to define what type of columns you are adding here.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, thank you.
Anyone did not understand, raise your hand. I'm just waiting. Anyone did not understand, raise your hand.
No, Jayant, it's clear.
Okay, we'll schedule one. I mean, like today. Will you guys practice today, or you will have a festival? You want today doubt clearance sessions, or Tuesday or Monday is fine. Monday
I
evening is
think
fine.
Monday is fine too, so that I will practice on.
Yeah, fine. Monday and Tuesday both the day will assign a person who will clear your doubt. Okay. So dedicatedly, previously I was not keeping people for the doubt clearance and all, but I thought like I was overburdened. Then I thought like let's utilize our resources, whoever were very technically very strong. Okay, so you will also get time if I'll find out anyone or extraordinary or very like learn the full syllabus very nicely. We are going to assign some of the project work. Okay, some of the project work, not everyone, but few people. So you have to prove yourself. You have to show some talent. So time by time, no, we are getting some of the project work. Okay, small project work. So that things we can assign it. But the thing is that you have to learn full syllabus and then you have to ask it. Okay, guys. So next one will be alter table, renaming a column. Which one is coming next? So renaming a column. Now next one is coming, renaming a column. Okay. We saw two concept, add a column, drop a column from a table. Now we are seeing a renaming a column in a existing table. If you want to rename a column, if you want to rename a column into a table, what you will do? What you will do? You will use alter command. You will use alter command. Okay, guys. So rename a column using alter command. We can rename a column name. Just read this one once, then I'll explain you. I'll take 1 minute break. Okay, guys. So now what we are going to learn? Renaming a column. Okay. Saturday, Sunday, the classes will be 2 hours, guys. Okay. So now like 8:15 to 8:15 we have started. Now 1 hour 15 minutes only over. Okay. So another half an hour will take and we'll complete full DDL command. After this only we'll have truncate, which will not take more. So I'm going little slow because I know it's the starting of the classes. Okay, everyone will like it will everyone will take time, whether you have you know already, or if you don't know already, then also you'll both the people will take time. So that's what like will go slowly, so that you should not understand the topic in initial classes, 1 or 2 3 up to three classes. It will go slow down only. When will start from like next Friday, Saturday, it will go fast, because I hope like everyone will be able to practice in this coming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, guys, so let's do this renaming a column. So our column name is this one. Okay, our column name is this one. Now my requirement came that I want to change the column name. I want to change the column name. How can we do that? If I want to change the column name, then how can we do that? Using alter command, we can rename a column name. Rename means what? We are renaming a column name. We have existing table. We have a column in that, and we are renaming a columns. We are renaming a columns into that. How can we do that? Alter table name. This is common for all the alter command. Rename. Which column you want to rename? Okay. Alter table name. rename old column name to new name, What name you want to give? What name you want to give? Old name, and what name you want to give? Alter table name, rename column, old name to new name, old name to new name. And like whatever the old name will be there, no, for the column, we have to give that. And then what name, new name you want? Rename column is the keyword, guys. We have to mention column as a keyword. Rename column, old name to new name. Let's see how practically how can we do that. Now we don't have pin code in this our table, we have deleted. Okay, so our query is that alter table name, rename column, old name to new name, but we don't have pin code in our current table. So which table, which column we can take it, guys? Tell me.
Maybe last name to surname.
Last name to surname. Let's take it. Okay, last name to surname. Last name is how? Last name. Okay, so let's see whether it's a case sensitive or not. Last name to surname. When you will use this, it will be changed to so we have to give the exact name only. It's a case sensitive. Okay, maybe because of this it was throwing error. Let's make it comment. Okay. Table employee altered. Now your last name to surname, it's got changed. You should see the structure of the table. See, surname. Got it, guys? It's got changed to surname. Next one also will change the column name. One more will change the column name. Okay. Now tell me which column you want to change the name. Phone number.
Yeah, phone number to cell number and email to email ID.
So which one first? Phone number.
Yeah, phone number to cell number, and then email to email ID, something like that.
Phone number to cell number. Cell number. Okay. So you can do it. So table employee altered. Now you should see the structure of this. This is not case sensitive, guys. Okay. Now see, cell number is gone. Cell number. Okay. Now you want to change to email also, or is it okay? You got it, everyone. Any doubt, guys? Any doubt in this renaming a column?
No, sir.
Why it's one thing is
No,
case
sir.
sensitive and the other thing is not case sensitive?
No, it was not case sensitive. This also, because of this somewhere, no, we have not given the semicolon. Because of that, it was taking that line also, and it was throwing error. It was
Oh,
not case sensitive. It is taking anything like you if you write it. Okay.
Is it possible to rename multiple names at a time?
Multiple names it not takes. Okay, but you can try it. Okay, do one thing. Take it as an assignment. Remove this column and try to rename multiple columns. Okay.
Sure.
Everyone.
That's my question. Sure.
Mm. Okay, so next one will be any doubt in this renaming a column, guys? Any doubt? Raise your hand. Guys, do you understand my communication? Like there is no problem with the explaining. You want me to explain more or you want to explain little less? Any comment?
Good, sir.
No, sir.
Explanation is fine, no? Like no one
Yeah,
is
yeah.
struggling with my communication, correct?
It's
Fine,
very
sir.
good.
No problem.
No, sir. Simple.
Okay, so next topic will be yours, renaming tables in a database. Renaming a tables in a database. We saw how to rename column, how to rename a column in a database. Now we'll learn how to rename a table. The table is what? Table is, this is the table. Okay, this is the table, this is the table. We have the table name, correct? So now I want to rename this table. We want to rename a table. How can we do that? How can we do that? We have the syntax. Using alter command, we can rename table name also. We can rename a table name also. Using alter command, we can rename a table name also. Alter table, table name, alter table, table name, rename to new table name. So what is the old table name? This is the old table name. Here it will come. Alter table, table name, employees table. Okay, whatever the table you want to take, old table name, then rename to new table name. New table name. What table name? New table name. What name you want to keep it? You can keep it here. Rename to new table name. Okay. Another method is also there. Rename. There are two methods to rename a table name. Rename old table name to new table name. Without alter command, it will work. Without alter command, it will work. And this is the this is the using alter command. Alter table, table name, old table name, rename to new table name. Okay. We'll see practically how can we do that. Okay. Now I've written some queries here. So alter table, table name, alter table, table name, rename to new table name. New table name. What is the existing old table name we have? Existing table name, employee. Correct. We have created an employee table. Employee. Rename to employee new. What is the new name we
New.
are giving?
Employee new.
Employee new is a new name. When you run it, this you'll not able to do anything. Like now we are able to do. Correct. Now we are able to execute the things. Now see, we are able to run it. We are able to take the, if you will take select a star from employee, you will be able to do it. You are able to run it. But when we'll run this, you will not have, this will go off. This name will go off. Now see, table name altered. Now you run this one. Object employee does not exist. Object employee does not exist. Run this one. So table or view does not exist. So what is the new name we have? New table name, this one. Run it, replace it, and then run it. Got it? Replace it and run it. We have not added any record in this. This is just a structure. We'll add in a Monday class. We'll add new data in Monday class, guys. Clear, guys? Any doubt in renaming a table?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now, how many of you feel overburdened? Only 3-4 topics we have completed till yet. Okay. So next one is that now we'll take it back. We'll do this rename. We'll rename table name again. Employee new. Now new table name is employee underscore new. So what we'll do? We'll take it to the old name. Okay. So you without using alter command, directly we can say that rename employee new to employees table. Rename employee new to employees table. If you run it, the name will be changed again. So rename, table rename. Now you run it. Table or view does not exist. So what you have to give? You have to give the new name. Clear? Everyone clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Easy? Just do practice,
Yes, sir.
guys. So what are the things we have learned in add alter command? We have learned how to add new columns, single column and multiple columns. We have seen how to drop column, single column and multiple columns. Then we have learned how to rename a column in a table. Okay. Then we learn how to rename a table using alter command. These are the things we learn. In alter command, we have last one. In alter command, we have last one. Read this one and then I'll explain you.
Here column type is nothing but a data type, right?
Yeah, tell me once again.
Column type is nothing but a data type.
Yeah, column type is nothing but data type. The data type means what? While creating table, we are giving some data type, correct? These are the data types. Still we can change it. Varchar to number, number to varchar to, or size also we can change it 25 to 100, 100 to 200 using this command, modifying data types and size. Okay, next one will be your modifying data types and size. How to modify data types and size. Using alter command, we can modify multiple columns of a table. Using alter command, we can modify multiple columns of a table. Alter table name, modify column 1, column type, column 2, column type, column and column type. Okay. So using this, you'll be able to modify n number of columns. Using alter command, we can modify multiple columns of a table, means data type and size only. Okay. Alter table name, modify is the keyword here. Modify column 1, what type of data types you want. Column 2, what type of data types you want. Column n, what type of data types you want. We'll see practically how it will be.
Sorry, Jay. It's mandatory to write
Modify.
underscore. No, underscore for each and every.
This is the examples I'm saying. This is the syntax. It will be not applicable in a real-time scenario in a database.
No, I'm asking column underscore 1, column underscore type, like that the writing more. So the underscore is mandatory. Is it a language like that or how?
See, many places, no, when you write dash, like I'll show you one thing. If you write like table name, if you are giving table name as employee dash 1, it will not take. If you write employee underscore 1, then only it will take it.
Why don't we write employee 1?
Look, like different name if you
underscore is
want to.
mandatory.
It's not mandatory. It's mandatory only because see, if you have already table, this table is created. Like let me change the employee name for you. Okay. We have done what? We have changed the employee name, correct? Now this employee name you want to change to what? Employee underscore new. We have added here no underscore. If you'll use this underscore to dash, it will not take.
No, you just give the space,
Sorry.
employee space.
You can use it like see if you want to give anything like this is the one already one employee table is there. If you want to create another employee, what you will give? Directly you can give one, correct? But another way you can give underscore also.
Okay.
What
So when we use underscore and when we use a spacer.
Space also you cannot use it. It will not take only.
It seems the underscore is compulsory to write.
Yeah, instead of taking a space or a dash or anything else, you have to take underscore is proper. Anywhere, like if you'll find out and when you'll be working in a real-time scenario, no, what column name and table name there it will be using underscore only.
Okay.
Like it will be something like this, current date, no, it will be not like this. It will be like in real-time scenario, I'm saying that like this it will be using underscore.
Okay.
Like sales details. If you have the column name, sales details, okay, sales details. So they will not write like this. What they will do, they will break it like this. This is the general format in a database to write your things.
Okay.
So underscore they are taking it. So that's why we are making habit of writing underscore.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay. So next one will be your alter table name, modify. Okay. And you want to modify first name. Where the first name we have? The first name, varchar to 20. Okay, varchar to 20 is there. Okay, so this one. So what we want to do here in this query, we want to, if you what you observe, guys, which one we are changing here for this one?
Data type.
This length we are changing, correct?
Yes.
So it is 20 now. I want to change it to 50. I want to change it to 50 or 100. You make it 100 also, it's fine. 100, I want to make a change. So what we'll do, we'll write this alter table name, modify inside the bracket, keep the column name, and then data type, and then size. Which one you want to change it. So we are changing here data length. We are changing here length of the value, whatever the value are there, here 20 to 100 we are making it. Run it. You got table name employees altered. Now see where it going. Previously it was 20, now it's changed to 100. Another thing is that where is mobile number? Mobile number is not there. Cell number is there. So mobile number, it is 25. You want to change it to 50, or you want to change it to 100, or you want to change it to 10. So that is also possible. So what you will do? Cell number. Cell number. Okay. So we are changing to 25 to 10. 25 to 10 we are changing. Alter table name, modify cell number 10. Table employee altered. Okay. You will see the structure of the table. It will be 10 now. 10 now. Now we'll change it to the salary data type only. We'll change it. Now see, salary data type is what? Salary number 38. Correct. What we are doing here? Salary varchar to 100. We are changing this number data type to varchar 2. We are changing number data type to varchar 2. Got it? Address we are changing to 200. Where is the address? Address is not there. So it will throw error. If you want to change email, you can change email. Email varchar to 200. So number 38, we are changing to varchar to 200. So if you run it, your data type will change. Table employee altered. Now see salary varchar to 100, and then email, employee ID, it is number only. We have not run or what?
No, sir, we changed email ID.
That's email we have changed. Employee ID. Employee ID varchar to 100. Is it correct now? Table employee altered. Now see. Clear? Clear, guys? Everyone?
Yes.
Battery down? Energy down?
No, sir.
Okay. So we can, how many, maximum, how many rows we can create in the single, like table? Like if
You
it is
want to
employee,
modify
how
how many
many
columns?
maximum rows we can add?
N number of rows you can have. How many are there? You can take that many.
Okay.
Yeah.
There is no limit, like we can add 1,000 records, 2,000 records is fine.
1,000 records. See, when you talk about record, so when you see these are all called record.
Yeah, that's what
You'll have 1 million, 10 million, 100 million also record will be there. 1 billion record also will be there.
So columns, so maximum how many columns we can add in the records?
No limit, no limit. 1,000 also you can add it.
Okay.
1,000 column also you can add it. In first class, someone told like they have seen table with the 1,000 columns. So it's not mandatory like we have to, like some 10 column or 20 columns. It's not defined by the Oracle. You can add a number of columns. You can add a number of value here. Think like big companies, SBI, HDFC, Amazon, all these things, they are using database to store their data. How they are storing their millions of, every day they are generating millions of record, correct? How
Yes.
they are storing their 1 year, 10 years, 30 years of data, how big the table size will be. Think of it. Billions of record will be there in one table. Okay, so guys, we'll do one thing. I know like you people will have too much, all these things. So we have discussed drop command, altered 5 command we have seen. And this part, no, truncate will discuss on a Monday class. Otherwise, you people will be overburdened.
सर वन डाउट है
Yes, sir.
सर
Yeah, tell me.
सर ये कैपिटल और स्मॉल लेटर मतलब
बोलो
जैसे उसमें सर कैपिटल और स्मॉल लेटर से डाला था तो सर ये मैटर नहीं करता
कौन सा बोले जोर से बोलो ना, थोड़ा कम आ रहा है आवाज.
जैसे सर एम्प्लॉय आईडी में आपने सर एक स्मॉल लेटर रखा था सैलरी में कैपिटल है
केस
और
सेंसिटिव
ये
नहीं है, कोई भी लेटर चलेगा. केस सेंसिटिव नहीं है वो. This is not case sensitive. Anything you can write it here, like employee ID is showing here. Wherever you write this one, like for any tables you write, it will give you a capital letter only. But you can pass any like it's not case sensitive. Some of the places it will be case sensitive where you will be matching the pattern, but those things I'll tell you where the case sensitivity will be there. But here it's not case sensitive. You see, capital letter and then lowercase letter, we have uppercase and lowercase we have written. So it's not throwing any error. It's changing the data type.
ओके
ठीक है योगेश, समझ में आ रहा है योगेश?
यस सर
थोड़ा इंग्लिश इंप्रूव करो, ठीक है?
ओके
आगे सब इंग्लिश में ही काम करना है. क्लाइंट से बात करना है, सभी कुछ इंग्लिश में ही होगा.
ओके सर
ठीक है. Okay, guys. So what we'll do, this part we'll discuss on a Monday. I feel like it will be too much for you people in one day. Just practice, and then Monday we'll do this one, and then we'll do DML command. We'll do DML command also. So what are the command we are going to learn in DML? How to insert data. We have created a dummy table, correct? These are the tables we have created, and we have not inserted any record. In Monday class, we are going to learn how to insert data, how to update existing record in a table, how to delete data using delete command. All these things we are going to learn. And we are going to learn truncate command also. Any suggestion? Anything you want to improve here? Anyone, any comment, anything?
Hello, Mr. Jayant.
Yeah,
This
tell
is-
me.
So in a modify command, we can modify the data type and the size. So you just show us to change the size only. So how to modify the data type? So can you write the syntax?
Yeah, data types also we have changed. No? Earlier you have seen here, where it is. It was employee ID was number earlier, and salary was, we have changed it. So when you run this, you are changing it to your data types also. It is changing now. Like you see, it's changed to employee ID to varchar 2. You want to change it back, you can do it back. So what we are going to do, varchar 2 to number we are changing. Let's see it will work or not. Okay, now we are changing to your varchar 2 to number. Let me see. So it's altered. Now if you'll see the structure, your data type is changed now. Number. Got it?
Yes, thank you.
Any doubt, guys? Anyone did not understand anything? Any other doubt? Burhan?
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
Okay, guys. So if any improvement, anything you want, like if you want to go slow or you want more explanation, any comment you want to pass?
No,
15
sir,
minutes
good.
back only. Sorry. Okay, guys. So let's disconnect and then we'll meet Monday morning 8:15 again. Okay. Clear? Everyone getting?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow there no class, no, sir.
So tomorrow will be no class because of festival. So we'll take tomorrow class, Sunday class on Monday.
Okay.
Monday morning.
Okay.
Sorry, my laptop got rained, so yeah.
Yeah.
Can,
Yeah.
can you give some like assignments, whatever topics happen till date? Can you give some questions to like writing a query on
Yeah.
that particular topic?
Yeah, fine. So topics, the assignment is there. You have this one assignment. I'll paste in the group, okay? A chat. Just copy it, and I'll try to paste it there. So I have created a document. You don't have to worry. I'll share in the group also. And from today, I'll upload the recordings in YouTube also. That is fine. But Monday onwards, we'll upload into the Drive, Google Drive, and you'll have everything proper. You'll have the document and all will be there, like this format only. Everything will be there.
Do you give this URL drive to find all these related documents?
Yeah, we'll share you. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
We'll share you. Now I have not finalized the group. So I have to finalize the group. Then I'll be sharing the things. Like, many people, they will come and they will exit. So for that only few classes, 4-5 classes, it will be like that. So I'm just sharing it through YouTube so that like the accessibility and then understanding should be not a problem for the people. So once like 4-5 days, initial 4-5 classes, it takes to finalize the group. So once it is finalized, I am going to share you all this Google Drive. And if you want to prepare faster, let me know, message me personally, and we'll provide you a step by step the recording. You prepare in 15 to 20 days and give me your mock every Saturday. Attend the classes also, that is fine. But you prepare parallelly also. Okay. So if you'll go through faster way, you will be able to get job in 20 to 25 days only. But dedication should be there. Your 5-6 hours are very important per day. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let's disconnect and then we'll meet tomorrow, Monday morning. Bye, everyone. Take care. Have a nice day. Happy
Bye, sir.
Sankranti.
Bye, sir. Happy Makar Sankranti, sir.
Yeah,
Happy
happy Makar
Sankranti, sir.
Sankranti. Happy Bihu. Happy Pongal. So many
Happy
things
Pongal,
are
sir.
there. Yeah. Bye.
Happy Pongal,
Everyone.
sir.
Yeah, happy Pongal. Take care, guys.